Autozone now.
Yeah, this one's for all Audis 2006 and newer.
Okay, cool.
That one I think is pre-mixed. Yeah, that one's already pre-mixed, so you just can add right in there. Hello.
Copy that. So for those of y'all that don't know that's driving these foreign vehicles, this is the correct type of coolant that y'all need. Boom. The pink shit, Asian vehicles, European, North American, all that good shit. So if you're not putting the proper shit in your shit, then you definitely gonna run into more issues down the line. But for me personally, I'd rather just grab the right shit the first time, get the shit done and over with, so I don't gotta keep coming back. Yeah, that's all.
I'm gonna legit change it.
It's for totals $42.99. And it's going to have you approve the total on the screen. When that pops up, just say yes.
I'm gonna tell him that you said that.
Actually.
Yeah, she's moving kind of slow.
Said we need some.
You don't need no flashlights. Maybe I should have just did cash.
Said you need this flashlight. It's so cool.
Pull a card out of here in a second. Reset this thing. Okay, now is it say insert pen? Yeah. Is that chip normally working?
Oh yeah.
Okay, now it says it's reading the card. Okay, then just say yes. Okay.
Always.
Said that's it. That's
Do you want a bag for this?
No, I'm probably about to pull this out.
Alrighty. Sounds
Appreciate
good.
you, buddy.
Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all, we walking out now. So for the most part, as y'all saying.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I went ahead and grabbed some coolant as well as squeegee. So for the most part, this squeegee right here is gonna make the car washing experience a lot more easier. And the coolant, as y'all can see, is to add coolant to the car. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get back to y'all.
Daddy, did you open it?
Yeah. Alright. On my